The goblin shark, also known by its scientific name Mitsukurina owstoni, is one of the most unique and mysterious creatures of the ocean's depths. Often referred to as a living fossil, the goblin shark is believed to be the only remaining member of the Mitsukurinidae family, which has a lineage dating back around 125 million years. This evolutionary relic has fascinated scientists and marine enthusiasts alike, not only for its eerie appearance but also for its unique physiological and behavioral adaptations that allow it to thrive in deep-sea environments. One of the most notable features of the goblin shark is its bizarre appearance. It has a long, flattened snout that extends out from its face, often described as a blade or sword. This snout, or rostrum, is covered with special sensory organs called ampullae of Lorenzini, which are highly sensitive to electric fields generated by prey. By detecting faint electrical signals, the goblin shark can locate prey even in the pitch-black darkness of the ocean depths. This ability is critical, as goblin sharks inhabit depths of around 100 to 1,300 meters, 330 to 4,265 feet, though some have been found as deep as 1,500 meters, 5,000 feet. This adaptation is particularly useful in the deep sea, where visibility is limited, and conventional hunting methods are difficult. Another fascinating trait of the goblin shark is its jaw, which has captivated researchers due to its highly unusual protrusible structure. The goblin shark's jaw can extend dramatically outward from its face, sometimes by nearly 10% of its body length, allowing it to snatch prey with surprising speed and precision. When the shark senses prey nearby, it rapidly thrusts its jaw forward in a movement often described as slingshot feeding. This jaw extension is made possible by specialized ligaments that connect the jaw to the skull. When these ligaments are released, the jaw snaps forward, creating a vacuum that pulls prey into the shark's mouth. The goblin shark's teeth are also highly specialized. The front teeth are long and needle-like, designed to impale soft-bodied prey such as squid and small fish, while the back teeth are flat and more suited for crushing harder substances. The goblin shark's body is another fascinating aspect, adapted perfectly for life in the deep. Unlike many fast-swimming sharks like the great white, the goblin shark's body is soft and flabby, with low-density flesh that helps it conserve energy. This allows the shark to maintain a buoyant, floating position without expending much energy, which is crucial in the deep sea, where food can be scarce. Its pinkish, translucent skin, through which its blood vessels are visible, gives the goblin shark a ghostly appearance and helps it blend into the low-light environment of the deep ocean. The skin's pink color is unique among sharks and gives it a haunting look, contributing to its reputation as one of the ocean's most bizarre creatures. In terms of behavior, the goblin shark is believed to be a relatively solitary and sluggish predator, likely moving slowly to conserve energy and relying on ambush tactics to capture prey. Unlike some sharks that actively chase down their food, the goblin shark seems to wait for its prey to come near, using its sensory adaptations to detect even subtle movements and electric fields. Despite its fearsome appearance, the goblin shark is not known to be aggressive and poses little threat to humans due to its deep-sea habitat. It is a rare encounter even for deep-sea fishermen, as it tends to avoid shallower waters. The goblin shark's reproductive methods are not well understood, largely due to the challenges of studying deep-sea creatures. It is believed that they reproduce via a method known as a placental viviparity, where eggs hatch inside the mother's body, and young sharks are born live. However, very little is known about the number of offspring they produce or the age at which they reach maturity. Scientists estimate that goblin sharks may have a long lifespan, potentially living up to 60 years, though this figure is largely speculative due to the lack of direct observation. Despite the mystery surrounding the goblin shark, researchers have learned much from occasional encounters with these creatures. Goblin sharks have been found in a variety of locations around the world, including the deep waters off the coasts of Japan, Portugal, New Zealand, South Africa, and California. Japan, in particular, has a close association with the goblin shark, as the first specimen was discovered there in 1898 by the Japanese fisherman Kakichi Mitsukuri. The goblin shark is named in honor of Alan Owstoni, a British naturalist and collector who made significant contributions to Japanese marine biology. The diet of goblin sharks consists primarily of teleost fish, bony fish, cephalopods, such as squid and octopus, and crustaceans. Given its habitat, the goblin shark's diet includes many deep-sea species that are also poorly understood. This diet suggests that goblin sharks play an important role in the deep-sea food web, helping to maintain the balance of these unique ecosystems by preying on smaller marine animals that inhabit these depths. In terms of conservation, the goblin shark's deep-sea habitat offers some protection from human activities, as deep-sea fishing is challenging and expensive. However, they are occasionally caught as bycatch by deep-sea trawlers, which is a concern due to their low reproductive rate, and the challenges of studying their population dynamics. Scientists consider the goblin shark's conservation status as least concern, but emphasize the need for careful monitoring, as overfishing and bycatch could have an impact on this unique species. The goblin shark serves as an important reminder of the diversity and complexity of life that exists in our oceans, especially in the largely unexplored depths. In summary, the goblin shark stands out as one of the ocean's most enigmatic creatures, with its long evolutionary history, unique sensory and feeding adaptations, and ghostly appearance. Its protrusible jaw, sensitive snout, and translucent pink skin make it a fascinating subject for scientists and a symbol of the mysteries still hidden in the depths of the ocean. While much about this elusive shark remains unknown, the goblin shark continues to capture our imagination and reminds us of the remarkable diversity of life that exists far beneath the ocean's surface. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next video.